Hey guys, welcome back to another MJ Owen video, and I'm sorry for the late posting. Over the last few weeks I only posted one video because I have the exam season, so just want to take a break for exam. So this is how you can make Robux. So you can do something interesting like 1 Robux equals 1 mile run or something like that. So if I put that in, and then I'm gonna this, and then you must go to create, and then passes. And then you can do an image. You don't need an image, so it's like 100 miles. And and you can do any random file. So you can like download a file. So let me just go do a random file. Stephen He radio. 10 miles. Great. And then after that, configure, and then 100. And then you can do 100. You can save that, and then $100 save. You can save that, and then you can go to the game and then edit. There, see? And then you can just make more and more and more. So and that's a simple guide on how to make Robux for free. So hope you enjoyed the video, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends if you want them to donate, if you want them to get free Robux. And and thank you so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys next time. Bye.